Good morning, students. So today we are starting a new chapter, transport and communication. Let's take the first subject, transport. By transport we understand moving of people and goods from one place to another. There are different ways of traveling like railways, roadways, waterways and airways. Roadways. Roadways can be classified as kacha and pakka roads. It is the most important mode of transport. Kacha roads are mainly found in villages. These are not very suitable to travel and remains full of dust or mud. Pakka roads are found in towns and cities. The Pakka roads are again classified into national highways, state highways, expressways and flyovers. National highways are the roads that connect every major city with the state capitals. State highways are the roads that connect important towns and cities within a state, that is inside a state. Expressways are the highways which has got high quality road network comprising 6 to 8 lines. These roads are very sturdy. Flyovers are the roads that are built on the bridges over the existing roads. Next comes railways. Railways came to India in the year 1853 during the reign of Lord Dalhousie. The line was laid between Bombay and Thane. Earlier, steam engines were used to run trains, but today diesel and electric engines are used. Trains carry a large number of people and goods from one place to another in less time. There are different types of trains. Passenger trains. These trains carry people to the different parts of the country. Goods trains carries goods or luggages to different places of the country. Metro trains are the trains that carries passengers to different parts of the city. Currently, this service is available in Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai. Waterways. We have a number of water bodies like seas, rivers, lakes, etc. Waterways are of two types, inland and oceanic. Inland waterways are used to travel within the country, whereas oceanic waterways are used for traveling outside the country, that is to other countries of the world. Waterways are slow in pace but is the cheapest mode of transport. It plays a great role in international trade. Boats are widely used to transport goods and people for short services. Passenger ships carries people. Ships are again divided into three types. Cargo ships carries goods from one place to another. Lastly, tanker ships carries petroleum and oil from one place to another. Now comes airways. Air transport carries people and goods from one place to another in a very short time, but this way of transportation is very much expensive. Airlines is of two types, national and international. Domestic airlines carries people within the country. International airlines are used to carry people and goods to different places of the world. Now let's come to communication. The things that we use to express our feelings are called the means of communication. Some common examples are letters, mobile phones and newspapers. The postal service is the oldest and the cheapest means of communication. In olden days, people used to send messages through pigeons and horsemen. Nowadays, these are replaced by speed post, fax and email. As time passed by, newer and more efficient means of communication have been developed. These are telephones and mobile phones. The latter is the most advanced one, as one can call a person to any corner of the world very easily. Besides this, email or electronic mail is used to send instant messages. It can be sent through computer, laptop and mobile phones through internet. Newspapers, magazines, radio and television are the means of mass communication. These mediums are used to send messages to a vast number of people. Newspapers gives us information regarding what is going around the world in a daily basis. Newspapers are published in different languages. A magazine is a book that contains news and articles on different current topics. It is published on weekly, monthly or yearly basis. Lastly comes the radio and television. This keeps us updated with the latest news and also is a source of good entertainment. Radio can only broadcast news, songs, plays, etc. But in television, audio and video are being telecasted. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. If you have anything to ask, you can go to the app and ask the questions. Thank you.